Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to answer the question: is the application for your earbud SOUNDCORE C30i available on Android devices? So, I already installed the application what SOUNDCORE offer for the earbuds, and if you open it, firstly we need to try to add the device, and if it cannot find it, right here we can see supported devices. So click Setup manually, and then click to Other. Our model is C30i, and right here at the right bottom we have this model, so my short answer is yes, it's available on your Android device. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!